Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Clash of Clans verification code. This essential code provides secure access to your beloved village and protects your progress. Understanding this process is key for every player, ensuring your account remains safe and readily available. We will walk through each step clearly, making it simple and straightforward for you to follow along. This ensures quick and easy access. To begin, open your Clash of Clans game application on your mobile device. Once the game loads, locate the settings icon, which typically resembles a gear, in the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap this icon to open the game settings menu. From there, find the connected button situated under the Supercell ID section. This is your first step towards securing your account. Next, within the Supercell ID window, you will see an option to log in or play without Supercell ID. Tap the Log In button to proceed. Then, accurately enter the email address that is already linked to your Supercell ID account in the designated field. After inputting your email, press the Log In button once more. This action will trigger the system to send a new verification code. Now, switch to your email application and carefully check your inbox for a message from Supercell ID. Remember to also look in your spam or junk folders, as sometimes these important emails can end up there. The email will contain a unique 6-digit numerical code. Once you find it, simply copy this code or write it down carefully, as you will need it shortly to complete your login.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.